I-ready po muna natin ang mga kailangan natin. Yarn, 160 cm kapag maliit lang naman ang wrist mo. Ang gagamitin ko pong yarn ay luma na, hindi po tayo makabili ng bago dahil lockdown. Next ay gunting, safety pin, glue, kapag meron okay, kapag wala okay lang din naman. Bead or button para sa lock. Binuhol ko muna guys sa gitna ang yarn para makagawa tayo ng lock. Ang haba niya na po ngayon ay 80 cm. Sunod na po natin gagawin ay paghihiwa-hiwalayin natin ang bawat kulay. Paghiwa-hiwalay na po ang yarn, magnanat tayo ng 2 beses from left to right.
Said you couldn't take us too seriously. I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun.
Ulit-ulitin lang natin guys hanggang sa ma-meet natin yung haba ng bracelet na gusto natin.
Softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
So tapos na tayo guys. Ang ginawa ko dun sa last is nagnat ako hanggang gitna lang para yung dulo medyo pantay. At kukuha lang po ako ng ilang yarn para dun sa button na ikakabit ko.
When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention,
I-ready po ulit natin ang mga kailangan natin. 3 yarn na 100 cm at isang yarn na 50 cm kapag malit lang naman ang wrist mo. Kailangan din natin ng gunting, glue, optional lang naman, bead or button para sa gagawin nating lock, at cardboard para sa gagawin nating pattern. Magkakat lang tayo guys ng circle shape, and then kapag nakat na natin siya, kakat naman natin yung buong paligid niya ng 8 beses. At lalagyan din po natin ng butas sa gitna.
Softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
So ayan guys, sa 8 po na cuts, dun po natin ilalagay yung yarn. Gagawa muna tayo guys ng lock sa gitna. Ang haba niya na ngayon ay 50 centimeters. Ipasok lang po natin yung lock dun sa butas ng circle, then yung 7 group of strands naman ay ilalagay natin sa 7 na cuts ng circle. Kapag nailagay na ang mga yarn, yung ika-third na yarn po ay ililipat natin sa available na cut. Then ikot natin pa counterclockwise at ulitin natin na yung pang-third na yarn ay ililipat ulit natin sa available na cut. Paulit-ulit lang po hanggang sa ma-meet nyo yung desired na haba ng bracelet.
I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.